Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Grady-White 215 Freedom. This particular boat is powered by a Yamaha 250 4-stroke engine. This boat does have LED blue lights on the transom, freshwater sprayer. As we come in, these seats do rotate for a nice walkthrough, and they also flip up and have a good cushion as well. This does have the ski pole option, easily stowed away. Transom live well. This boat does, on the port side, have the sliding seat. Also have a head, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Over here you do have an extra remote for the stereo. Pull out drawer that's lockable. Your Yamaha digital gauge system. As we come forward, you'll see plenty of wraparound seating in the bow with a low profile rail. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 215 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.